Good morning, folks. Here with Edward here, about to ride out a big thunderstorm. They said winds gusts 80 miles an hour north of here. This is just the leading edge coming in right now. You can hear walnuts getting knocked off the tree back here and hitting the top of my barn and other things. Said a lot of lightning. We haven't heard a tornado siren yet, but there are severe thunderstorm warnings, high winds, damaging winds for about the next 2 hours. I'll be right back. Another little look at some treetops here and see the lighter sky. That's really starting to blow now. See the lighter sky turning to dark there in the upper right hand. It's going to turn, as you can see up above, it's going to turn real nasty here in just a second. It's a big front going through. Be right back. Again, there's the front just blowing to, whoa, big tree just went down back there. There's nothing but open back there. I've seen it go down. You probably would too here. If you look at it close, you can sure hear it. You can see the front, the high winds coming from the northwest. I'm feeling gusts right now, 35 miles an hour. Oh, that one that's coming from, you can see the limbs right here. That was easily a 40. I'll be right back. We don't have any thunder or lightning, and there's no rain yet. It's a lot of high wind. This is about half what they say is coming right behind me. On the radar, this still shows green and yellow and a little red. What's up here and behind me that's coming off in this direction is red and dark maroon. And there's a band of it probably about 7 miles wide, and then it lightens up. I'll be right back. Starting to blow pretty good. There's a couple of branches came down in the backyard out of that walnut tree right there. That big old pine tree is moving pretty good. This is what 35 to 40 looks like. According to the radar, it should just about double this. Take a look in a minute. Very interesting colorization now, going from a green, a light type of aqua green, the heavy water in the air, the saturation, over here to the south at the front of the squall line, I guess you could call it, the front of the thunderstorm, and it's all pink in the air and like bright in a spot dead south. I shouldn't use that term, due south. Very strange. And it's starting to rain now. Starting to get rain coming in. So I'm going to go back inside for a minute here and be right back. What makes me concerned is that this storm is heading straight south, right towards Portage, where the tornado hit several weeks ago and really messed that up. They're still recovering from that. They still don't have near the things taken care of. The roads are clear and the power's up. But man, the place is still tore apart, the homes and businesses and that. And then a couple of weeks later, a severe thunderstorm came through and knocked a bunch of trees and everything down again, almost in the same path. And now this is heading straight for that. And we just have a severe thunderstorm warning is all. There's been no sirens or anything yet. I just looked at the radar again, and our local channel, it just has it as a little thumbnail down in the corner, and the national news is on. It's funny that they don't just cut in and take a good look at this, but that might be coming up here in a few more minutes, as this seems to look like on the radar it's intensifying, and then in a couple of hours it's just gone, and it's supposed to heat up into the high 70s, low 80s this afternoon. They said it was interesting, got some lightning now. They said it was interesting that there was winds reported over 70 miles an hour this early in the morning in a morning thunderstorm. So generally that builds up over a day and then comes, noon or afternoon or evening. They said that was kind of odd, but boy, did the squall line come in over Lake Michigan north of South Haven. If you get a chance, you could probably look at those videos, the South Haven lighthouse cam. Look that up on YouTube and take a look. It's live, and I'm sure they're going to show some big waves. They're supposed to be 7-footers. Those are moderate waves. I've been out there and taken video when they were 12 to 15, and they bust over the top of the lighthouse. Now, that's something else. I'll get video like that. There'll be more storms, especially coming up this fall. We have more lightning. Consumers said that they have about 1,000 customers. It's going along a crawler on the TV, about 1,000 customers out of power. It was much worse than it appears here north around Grand Rapids, Holland, Muskegon. That was something else. They might get 2 inches of rain up there. But anyways, if anything else becomes of this, it looks like we're going to get a lot of rain coming here. I'll bring it back to you in another little video. Until then, have a great day. I hope everything's fine down here in Portage again. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I surely do.